In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your VLC Media Player to the latest version. By updating your VLC Media Player app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with VLC, and as well as you'll be able to fix problems or bugs that are associated with the older version of VLC. Now, to achieve this, you can either use Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, or you can use App Store if you are using an iPhone. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it on an Android smartphone via Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and by also subscribing to this channel. Now to get started, go to Play Store and then search for VLC Media. Now you can see our VLC is here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now to update it, you'll see an option called Update here if you are using the older version of VLC. Now to get the latest version of VLC, go ahead and tap on Update, and then this will go ahead and download the VLC Media Player and then install it on your Android smartphone. So once that is done, you'll see now this option called Open. This means that you have the latest version. For my case, I not update because I already have the latest version of VLC. Once you are done, now it's time to go ahead and open it. If I go ahead and tap on it, now this will take me to VLC, and now I can start using the latest version of VLC. So that's how you update and get the latest version of VLC. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.